Across the country, a quiet but powerful movement is growing, one that is rooted in soil, animals, and human connection. It's called care farming. Care farms are working farms that use agriculture to support healing, skill building, inclusion, and independence for people with disabilities. Today, we're visiting two very different farms in the care farming network in Virginia, connected by a shared belief that nature doesn't just grow crops, it grows people. Our first stop takes us to Fox Moon Farm in St. Stephen's Church.
We believe in the healing power of nature and animals, and we live on a beautiful 60-acre farm, and we believe that working with animals and nature heals those who struggle, and that's our mission. Animals have an energy to them, and it's just like nature, that is very calming and very peaceful. And in the world in which we live today, which is so chaotic and moving at lightning speed, there is nothing like the tranquility of a farm, the quiet of a farm, and just listening to the snickering of a horse or the hooves of a horse in the grass. Coming to the farm and doing very simple tasks not only builds self-confidence and helps reduce anxiety, it helps to regulate their emotions, it helps to reduce depression, and of course, and it builds joy and happiness. So we've got 3 programs as a part of our nonprofit. One program is called Healing with Horses, where we work specifically with horses along with other activities on the farm. We've got a big community garden where our clients work specifically to harvest and grow and help us distribute food for families in need in our community. And we also have field trips and gathering spaces on the farm to workshops and such, where we do healing workshops, yoga and art and writing workshops and such. Care farming and the work that we do has just changed my life, because what this work does is it soothes my soul. It gives me purpose. I love the work that I do. Care farming is all about spreading love and kindness. And in this day and age especially, there is nothing more important than spreading love and kindness.
Care farms don't all look the same. Some focus on animals, others on crops, but they all share the same foundation: real work, real purpose, and real belonging. That brings us west to Bedford County. At Little Otter Flower Farm, care farming took root from one family's question: what does a fulfilling future look like for our child?
So we started the farm for Max, who has autism, because the unemployment rate among people with autism is about 85%. And so the farm gives Max an opportunity to have a vocation, make a living, and be part of the community. Even if students go to college, the unemployment rate is still very high. And so my husband and I were saying, what are we going to do? You know, how is Max going to have a rewarding and fulfilling life? And in the process, how can we help others with autism learn job skills and get employment around the community?
Care farming relates to our mission of the farm, which involves both growing flowers and helping people with autism find employment. And it allows opportunities to share what I do on the farm, like delivering random acts of kindness and working with interns and teaching interns what they have to do on the farm, similar to what I do. Working on this farm has made me more responsible and independent and knowing what to do.
Care farming is farming for another purpose. So we don't just grow flowers. We grow people by having other people grow flowers.
That's the heart of care farming: agriculture as a bridge between ability and opportunity, between isolation and inclusion.
And we grow community by having folks with autism go out into the community and sell and deliver flowers. So it's more than just the flowers. And the Care Farming Network is a whole network of farms that farm for another purpose. The Care Farming Network gives our family an opportunity to expand the reach of what we do, to show others, not just in Virginia, but across the country and around the world, what people with autism are capable of doing, and to show the community how beneficial farming can be for both individuals and the community. The Little Otter Flower Farm is a care farm from the beginning. We farm for a therapeutic purpose. We are about a lot more than just flowers. We are about using the process of growing, arranging, and selling flowers to help young adults with autism develop job skills and get employment in the community, and showing the community what people with autism are capable of doing. Care farms need your support. There are lots of places to buy flowers and vegetables and meat, and they're all great. But when you buy your flowers and vegetables and meat at a care farm, you're doing more than just buying flowers, vegetables, and meat. You are providing really meaningful and important opportunities for people who need the support to develop their skills and lead more independent lives.
Both Fox Moon Farm and Little Otter Flower Farm are part of the Care Farming Network, a growing community of farms across the country that believe food, flowers, and farming can do more. More for individuals, more for families, and more for communities.
Look in your local community to see if there are care farms that you can support by buying their products or by donating things that they might need. Again, people in Bedford will donate jugs for us. They'll donate cardboard. They'll donate glassware. And we are immensely grateful. And it's part of building that community of support.
Care farming grows where communities show up. By sourcing from care farms, by visiting farmers markets, by donating, volunteering, or simply spreading the word, you become part of the movement. Because when farms grow people, we all grow together. For Real Virginia, I'm Morgan Rakovich.